SC 38, 20, ET 69, non data, how? Come on. Okay. TY MAKT, and we are pulling fields, matners, pras, MAKText, which is material number, language, description of material. From MARC, we are pulling material number and plant. Material number and material number are common over here, so we can use these as our anchor fields to pull data from multiple tables. And what will be those fields? Those will be plant fields or plant data. Internal table and work area. These are copying the structure of MAKT and MARC internal table, and work area will copy MARC. Parameters will capture the material number, and then we are selecting a block. Select material numbers, pras, MAKText from MAKT into table IT MAKT when material number is equal to parameter material number. Okay. Select Matner works from MARC into table when Matner equals P Matner. So Matner and Matner both are available in MAKT and MARC. Now, since we are loading into internal tables, both internal tables MAKT and MARC, so it will then use a loop to offload or load the work area because we cannot directly access internal table. So loop until it reads the table, internal table into work area MAKT with key Matner, MARC Matner. Okay. MAKT and MARC, it will work together in parallel based on Matner, and it will load internal table MAKT, which is it will load three things, these ones, based on material number from this table MARC, and then it will write. After reading it, it will write. Check. Activate. Execute. Okay. And we have this table. Okay. Description, material number, and plant. Okay. Direct processing again. LAP9FG. Let's try this. And this is L9P1, which is a plant. Okay. This is the description of the material, and this is the material description. We'll go for any random material, for example. For example, blade fan, execute, and this is this table 2022. Okay. Now let's find out another code, ABAP plant table, update plant data. Okay. We've already done this. Now we will add this code to the same code. Okay. We can add it over here because we are building a structure. And this is another table. Okay. This is another table T01W, and add this code. And that code will be, after we create a structure, we create data types, which is internal table and work area of the same table. Okay. Select MATNA works from the same table. Or we'll take this one. Select single works name from select single. And when we use single, we need end select. And this is what we want to actually bring out. Plant description from this table, material and description from this table, and material plus plant from this table. Okay. So we try to avoid select statements in loops. So we write select statements out of this loop. Okay. Select works name from T01 into table. Select statement without aware syntax. If we don't use aware, it will give a dump in the internal tables because internal tables have a shorter memory. Okay. So let's use this one. Select works name from T01W. I'll deselect this one. Works name from T01W into table IT T01W. And then read table into work area with key works, MARC works. Same. MARC works, MARC Matner, and we'll be using this one. Okay. Okay. Read table with key works is MARC works. So what we are doing based on Matner, we will be pulling works as well because T01W has plant plus description of the plant. Add select statement to pull info from T01, making it bridged with IT MARC selected earlier. So it is pulling material number from MARC and plant details from MARC. So centrally, we are accessing MARC. Okay. Let's pull this and right now we'll keep it. We'll keep it in active. Check. Activate. AB blade. Execute. We are getting the details. Okay. Now, we will deselect this And we will activate this now. Unknown column name MAKT. 47. MAKT works from MAKT is not there in T01. Let's see /OSE11 T01W. T01W display. MAKT not found. Okay. What we will do is we will pull name 1. Name 1. Name 1. We have already name 1, not MAKT. Okay. Check. Activate. EB blade 01. Execute. Okay. Add a loop before a loop. Loop add IT mark into work area mark. Okay, we were looping over here. Loop add IT mark. And select single works name on from T01 based on mark works. Append work area T01 IT T01W. Okay. If a certain record like materials empty, system will render internal tables as empty, but nested joint select statements will still fill the internal tables record by ignoring where statement. So whenever you're using where statement, it gives you a certain protection that on seeing an empty record, it will fill it up automatically. Add before the last select joint statement. If IT mark is not initial, means not initial means it is not initialized. It means it doesn't have any value. Last select. Where is the last select? This is the last select. If IT mark is not initial, select works name from for all entries in IT mark where works equals IT mark works. And if, because and if is also a part of the syntax. Okay. If IT mark is not initial, not initialized means no value. Select T01W what? Plant, plant and name of the plant into load it. If it is empty, load it for all entries in internal table where plant equals plant of MARC. And if number 11 is add sort after if. Sort IT mark by words. Okay. Let's add all of this. Modify select statement. Select MAKT works from MARD into table IT mark where MAKT is equal to PMAKT. Sort IT mark by works. Select MAKT numbers from MARD or C. Storage location data for material. Works. Okay. Matter works from MARD into table IT marked by MAKT is equal to P Matter. Sort IT marked by works. Okay. Delete adjacent duplicates from IT mark comparing works. Let's check it. Incorrect nesting before the end of the control structure must be closed by end loop. Okay. Loop. Okay. Loop by IT mark input. Okay. Loop. Okay. Delete adjacent duplicates from IT mark comparing works. Adjacent duplicates. I'll deactivate this one. Sort statement from IT mark. Okay, it is done. Add type. Type begin of TY mark. We have TY mark. TY mark. Algort type Algort T. So let's see what is in MARC. MARC Algort. 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 Anyways, let's go back to the code. Select Matna works Algort from MARD. There is MARD. We have another Algort from MARD into table IT mark. Matna is equal to P Matna. So let's deselect this one. Select after parameters at line selection, start of selection. After parameters, at line selection, start of selection. Okay. After loop block, where is the loop? Loop is here. Hide work area mark works, which is table of the mark table. Add after start of selection. Start of selection. End loop. Check. Activate. Okay, it's not running basically because we have multiple loops. Uh, it's not able to write name because it's not initial. This is okay. And if select, it's not responding. Somehow it's not responding. Anyways, we'll check this in the next lecture then.